Alright guys, welcome back to Lightning Outdoors. There we go, tripod set up better. Um, I just got done with the Bass Pro and Walmart run. Needed a little bit of stuff. And by needed, I mean there was a sale going on in Bass Pro. And today's the last day, and you can't pass it up. I mean, they were selling lures for like cheap.
$2 for some nice cranes.
Yeah, for the tourney specials, $2. Literally, $1.99 for a bait. And they actually work, except the liplesses, those things are pieces of trash.
Hey.
They are! What else? Straight King Red Eye Shads were going for $4 instead of $6, which was very nice. I was kind of disappointed. They didn't have my favorite lure color, which is purple yellow, also known as grape yellow. Yeah, the website lied. Very much lied. They also lied about the treble hooks. I also needed those. But nevertheless, sorry guys, allergy season. Let's get unboxing. Okay. We're going to start off with the terminal side of the Bass Pro trip. I'm making some lures for Trader Baits, which is my own brand. I'm still perfecting them, but I didn't have any split rings. So I had to pick up a pack that's size 2s. There's 25 of them, which I guess is okay. Yeah, that bag's empty. Okay. We're going to start with soft plastics because I got quite a few hard baits. I bought some Tournament Series Great Chart, which is close enough to purple yellow. If I can't get purple yellow, and I've never owned a true pack of purple yellow because I haven't been able to find them, I'll go with this, which is the next best thing. 6-inch Squirm and Worm.
No, you need black chart.
No! This if I can't... Grape Chart if I can't find purple yellow. Black Chart if I can't find either.
That's
Siblings.
bad, man. Black chart's the best.
No, it's not. Purple yellow's better.
No black chart.
Yep, it's just a little swimming worm. They have the 4-inch and the Magnum. The Magnums are like freaking 10 inches long. It's ridiculous. I want to get a pack just for the heck of it. Literally, they would serve me no purpose. I just want to get a pack just to get a pack. They're that big. We're going to go, and we're actually going to take a turn with something I've never bought before. The Deep V Bucktail Jig by Northland Fishing Tackle. I've heard of their stuff. Actually, I'll be right back while I open. Okay, got her out of package. And, first impressions. It's just a little red and white, roughly bucktail jig. Tail obviously made out of deer hair. These little, what are they called? I don't know what they're called. Sparkly strand things. Give it a little extra flash. The hair moves very subtly in the water. Great for cold water. 3/8 ounce. Huge eyes. And the head is shaped like a V. Help it get down where it needs to go. It says 3/8 ounce. I'm pretty sure the package is lying. This thing feels like at least ½ ounce minimum. This is not a light lure at all. So I don't know if that's just me. One moment. I need to go shut the door. Okay, I forgot where I was. But anyway, that hook though, that thing, sticky sharp. Sticky sharp. That is like a very, very good hook, Northland. Don't know what hook it is. It might say on the package, actually. Nope. It doesn't. But, yeah. So that's the Northland Bucktail Jig. Or Deep V Bucktail Jig. Doesn't say what color. It's made in it's just white. That's the color, just white. Made in the Dominican Republic. That's nice. Next is a bait that most of you are probably familiar with. I don't use them. A lot of people do. This was on sale, so yeah. Strike King Red Eye Shad. Pretty popular bait. Let me get it out of the package. Y'all are probably wondering why it takes so long for me to get these out of the package. Because I collect the packaging. Yeah, I'm weird like that. I collect lure packaging. So, the ones like this, I just cut them out of the package to preserve it as best as possible. But, leave that open. See, does it say anything? Okay, it's got, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Them hooks are sharp. It's a sharp hook. Those are VMC Vandium Conca hooks. I thought Strike King made their own. I thought that's what they put on here. Actually, no, this isn't KVD series, so never mind. Where it's got 3D eyes, protein paint job, and free-floating rattles. Yeah, that's unique. I thought all liplesses had free-floating rattles, but apparently they don't according to this. But yeah, that hook is wicked sharp. Put that over there. Next, here we go. We're gonna go with this. I went and I bought, it was on clearance, an XPS, one of the new shallow divers. They make extra shallow, shallow, medium, and deep. They just started making them this year. Last year, 2020, only could get the square bills, crazy bug, rattle shad, egg, their swim baits, and top waters and point. Y'all probably seen them if you've been in Cabela's or Bass Pro. But this is the color of green craw. I picked it up, and in my eyes, it looks kind of like a bluegill. That's it. I mean, it's got the paint job to look like a bluegill. Come on, camera, focus. The bill is actually a little different than I thought. I've seen bills like this, though. It's like a rounded square bill. Walmart, their house brand, the Ozark Trails. Yeah, you can hear the rattles in there. They also have rounded square bills, which I don't think does anything to the action. The Walmart ones are nowhere near as big as this one, which I'm guessing is going to give it more of a square bill-like action with that wild side-to-side. But, I don't know. We're going to find out, and it's going to be cool. And I'll bring you guys along. And next and final for Bass Pro, they had a huge bargain bin attorney special. Like, they had 2 of them. It was so full. And they had these pencil walkers in there. Now, my local Cabela's, which I normally go to, doesn't have those. They have the poppers, the liplesses, and the deep divers. Do they have? I think they might also have the minnows. As far as I know, the minnow is the only one I've never bought. Let me tell you, don't ever buy their liplesses. They're a piece of junk. The tourney special ones. The rattle shads I caught my personal best bass on. Buy those. The tourney special liplesses, throw them away. Save the hooks, because the hooks are really good. But screw the rest of the bait. And split rings. Split rings are good. But, I'm going to pull this thing out of the package. This is the frog pattern. Doesn't really look too much like a frog to me. Looks more like a, what's it called? Leopard frog, if you're going to say a frog pattern. Oh, stupid container. Yeah, I'm going to have to pull this the hard way. Oh, let's do the stupid staple. They don't have a staple in the other one. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Little concave popping mouth. Wicked, wicked sharp hooks like you can find on all the tourney specials. They're really improportionate for this size of lure. One thing I do notice is, don't know how well you can see it, the paint on that eyelet is missing. I think that's how it is on all 3 of them. Yeah, for the most part it's missing on all 3 of them. They look kind of like the Bass Pro Shop Slim Dogs from their XPS series. I don't know if that was intentional or just hapstance. Because I don't know who designs these. Whoever does, you need to work on your liplesses because they stink at ripping, swimming, and basically everything you do normally with a lipless. I'm pulling out right now the white shad. Pulling the white shad one out of the package. As you can see, it's just basic white, little red there, black dot. They're pretty standard baits. Not too expensive. Normally you can get them for like $2.50. Pulling the yellow perch one out. No. They all have the same wicked sharp hooks though. Oh, it even says in the back, super sharp hooks, stainless steel split rings. Yeah, if you're ever in a pinch and you have the lipless of some of the tourney specials, rip out the split rings and hooks and screw the lipless. Yeah, I still think these hooks are improportional. I think those are like size 2s or something, maybe size 4s. I got some treble hooks coming up. But that's all for the Bass Pro side of things. Now, it's time to get to Walmart. The Walmart side. Which, give me a minute to get out. Yeah, I got all the Walmart stuff out. I'm going to kind of go the same pattern. Starting with terminal. Just some size 6 trebles. Actually, let me go rig up one of the lures I've made. And I'll show you all that. There, y'all can see my finished product. Pretty sloppy. I'm not the best with the saw and knife and stuff and sandpaper. But some nail polish, some lip material, some wire. I accidentally sprayed painted the top, but I think that adds an aesthetic. Silent square bill actually runs. But anyway, about me, we got some Eagle Claw Laser Sharp, which are actually duller than dirt. They were cheap. And, well, there. Sorry, camera quality is not good right now. I don't know why. But yeah, that should work. But yeah, that's why I bought the trebles and split rings. It's because I didn't have any to complete my lures. So, now I can. We're going to move on, anyway. And I have a Booyah Pond Magic. This is in Firebug. It's got that orange follower blade of that yellow up there, which is that orange is supposed to be killer in the fall, or not fall, spring, sorry. My sense of time's a little weird, guys. I'm not the best with schedules. Well, what did I do there? Oh, I just cut the package in half. Whoops. Oh well, I guess this Booyah package is toast. It still says Booyah on it, so it's okay, I guess. Nope, never mind. It's toast. But it's just this tiny little 3/8 ounce spinnerbait. It's got a pretty sharp hook. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know how well it's going to work. It'll probably work pretty well in the lake I fish. But, I'll be right back, guys. Because I got a moon pie to go eat. Hey, guys. I'm back. I know I didn't actually do this like the first one. I got a little out of order. So, we're going to stay out of order. Next is the Rebel Minnow. It's just the Rebel Minnow. I have heard about this bait through Brendan Miller. Check his channel out somewhere on my channel page. You can find it in there. Just go to featured channels or something. I don't know what it's called. Got these Eagle Claw hooks that are sharper than the ones I put on my homemade baits that I'll eventually be selling. By then, hopefully, the hooks will have increased in quality. But yeah, it's just like a little minnow jerk thing. Something. It's not very heavy. Pretty lightweight. Probably could. It's long, but it's not heavy. Probably could throw this on like what you probably use a medium powered spinning rod with like 6 to 10 pound monofilament and something. Probably use that. Yeah, I don't have super high hopes for this thing. It's got a really nice finish. In the bottom, I can't really see it. You kind of can. But yeah, that paint job, it sprays up into the chrome, and it's like a black chrome white thing. I don't know. I don't even know. Oh yeah, this color, I think I'm going to call it a side-to-side shad. The bait name is the unpredictable. It's got a really unpredictable action. It'll go here, and then it'll go here, and here, and here. All of it'll basically be doing a giant S, all while doing another tiny S inside of it. It's ridiculous, but it's awesome. And it works, because I tested it. I actually tested it. And it goes not that deep. It'll go deeper than shallow. About 4 to 5 feet. About max depth. But next, and almost final, some Yum Tequila Sunrise. Yum bargain bins are awesome inside of Walmart. 3 of the worms in here lack the tequila part, but just Sunrise, I think. I don't know. Or you can do it the other way around. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, they're basic ribbon tail worms. I'll get one out to show y'all. I did that with the other soft plastics and every other lure. Yeah, Yum packaging, by the way, guys, sucks. You just short little body with a ribbon tail that's like the length of the body. Yeah, literally length of the body. So for like, I don't know how long, maybe an 8-inch worm. Half of that's the tail, half of that's not. Had a pack before, burnt through it. Bought some more. Then I bought this weird color. Kind of like plum. I think that's what they called it. I remember seeing this on the shelf way back in the day. Back when my Walmart used to still have Yum on the shelf. Yum worms on the shelf. Now they just chuck them in a bargain bin. Yeah, it's just like a plum color. I think that's what that's called. Bass Pro Plum, and this plum's a little bit different, so we're just gonna check that there. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I gotta go put all this away, figure out what to do, because I lacked the room. I was gonna buy a tackle box, but I didn't. I don't know why. I should have. It would have been smart, but I didn't. But anyway, wait, do I have something more? Nope. Oh, in total today, guys, we spent, let's see, it's going to round that up to 16. 16 plus 24, that's $40 on the dot. It was literally 4 cents from 16 at Walmart, so I'm just going to say it was 16. Because 4 pennies don't really do anything anymore. But, yeah. I'll keep y'all updated on how the lures are going every video. How many I've gotten made and ready. Currently I have 1. Another I just need to put hooks on. I had split rings from other baits that were broken. And then I got to paint one still, put hooks on it. And yeah, that one's a deep diving square bill, I'll tell you that much. Whew. That sucker just wants to keep going down. It goes so deep you can't really tell. Does it have action? You can feel it in your rod, but you can't really tell. But anyway, I'll see y'all next time. I'm filming this video while in the middle of filming another video.